Today, I will review Yoga for Americans by Indra Devi. It's a wonderful book about yoga and the benefits you will get out of doing yoga. Ancient Indian science of yoga gives you a vital, confident approach to the converging pressures and tension of modern life. Practicing yoga daily will relax you in mind and body. You will face each day with a fresh energy that will make you feel younger. In this book, you can learn how to do the 10 basic yoga postures, including the famous headstand, the lotus pose, the cobra pose, the twist, and others. This is an old book which was written around 1959. Yoga is one of the greatest disciplines in the world and can be practiced at each stage with positive results. It aims at controlling one physical as well as one spiritual and mental climate, the circulation of blood, the degree of tension in the muscles and in the nerve, the very thought that enter the mind are all subject to progressive control. As a matter of fact, even President Eisenhower, while recovering from illness, was put on a routine of deep breathing exercise for 10 minutes a day according to the newspaper reports. Yoga is an art and science of living, will give you the key to youth, health and long life and help you find harmony, peace of mind and true happiness. When a student of yoga determines and rightly direct his course, a molecular change takes place in his body until in about 6 months this change begins to affect his taste and habits. It also expands the power of his mind. As the force within him becomes awakened, his state of consciousness also changes. He ceases to be lonely, his fears vanishes, and his happiness comes with his reach. Here is the important point to remember is that while doing deep breathing, the spine should be kept straight so as not to impair the free flow of the life force or prana. The cobra pose stimulates the adrenal glands. Yoga is both a science and an art of living and therefore touches numerous facts of our daily life from cleansing the skin to cleansing the mind. In his excellent book, Building for Mental and Physical Health, Dr. Philip Rice states that the IQ of a child can be increased by enlarging his intake of oxygen through correct deep breathing. She also been eating 1 or 2 slices of raw onion daily. The plow posture affects the thyroid gland, massages the livers and spleen, and stretches and pulls the vertebra, thereby keeping the spine in a youthful, flexible, and healthy condition. People suffering from stiffness, obesity, enlarged liver and spleen, arthritis will find this posture especially beneficial. The main trouble had been stress. If you want to reduce stress, do yoga all the time. Treat people as if they were flowers and you will happy